Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create our own AI agent. So I'm going to show you one demo here, then we are going to create it step by step. So here we go. So I created that AI agent here. As you can see here, go to the codingbus.info/AI agent chatbot. So here you can see that's my AI agent. And this agent is particular for the Coding Bus YouTube channel. Suppose if you have some issue related to the Firebase, okay? So you just need to ask here Firebase tutorial. Okay, once you enter it, and you will see here that AI agent will give you, as you can see here, I found the relevant video Firebase tutorial, this one. And once you click on the watch video, that will redirect me to my channel, the Coding Bus channel, because that AI agent particularly for the Coding Bus YouTube channel only. So we are going to create that chatbot. We are going to create this AI agent here. And using this AI agent, you can do for blogs also. As you can see here, I connected my website also. So that will find all relevant information from my website and give you the link of that blog also here. So we can do a lot of things with AI agent. So I'm going to show you how we can create this AI agent in just few minutes. So here we go. First of all, we required some things like I'm going to use here the cursor AI first. Second, I need to add here the YouTube API, data API. Okay. So you should have the data API also. So I'm going to guide you how you can get that API also. And it's totally free of cost. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to download the Cursor AI. If you don't know how to install the Cursor AI editor, so I already have created this video. You can watch that video. Just give you the overview here. So just open the Cursor AI, okay? And you can see here the cursor.com website. Okay, just create an account and click on download and install it. Okay, done. Now, after this, you need to open the Cursor AI. Okay, so this is my editor. Now click on the file, click on open folder. Now we need to create one folder here. So I'm going to just create AI agent. Okay. And then click on create and just open that folder here. Now we have a blank folder here. Now we need to prompt here one like create a AI agent that bot will answer any question from my YouTube channel or my website. You can use React to develop this. Okay. Now you can just specify something like make make that design attractive, feel like 3D look. Okay. Now let's click on enter and let's wait some seconds. Here you can see I'm going to help you to create an AI chatbot, agent chatbot with modern 3D look using the React. We are going to create a web application, okay, that can answer question about your YouTube channel and the website content. Okay, I'll break down into the steps. Okay, so let's run the command. That gonna install the React, NPM and everything. You don't need to do anything. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna create the API. Okay, open the Google and just type here YouTube data API. Okay, and just open this website developers.google.com. I need to go to the console. Okay, as you can see here, three dots here. So make sure if you have a on YouTube channel, so make sure the email ID should be same. Okay, otherwise that will not work. So make sure the API should be same. Then go to the dashboard. Now click on the product and go to the Google Cloud. Now we can see the console option. Click on it. Now we need to create a project. Okay. In the top, you will see here the projects. I already have created some project. That's why I'm seeing here. You can see the create project option. Click on here. And as you can see, new project. Click on it. Once you click on the new project, then just enter your project name. So TCB AI agent like this and click on create. You can see here, this is asking for a command. So let's run that command. And let's go again to here. TCB AI agent. Now here. Okay. Now what we need to do here, we need to enable the API. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. As you can see, go to the API overview, click on it. Now in the top, you will see the enable APIs and service. Click on it and just search here YouTube data API version 3. Okay, this one. Now click on that API and we need to enable this. Click on enable. Wait some seconds. Now it's done. Okay, now once that enabled, we need to click on the create credential. Now click on the public data because we are using the public data. We don't require any sign in. Okay, have API key, make sure that copied it and let's click on done. But before this, click on the restricted key, okay, and go down and you can see the API restriction and restricted key. Click on select this and you can see the select the APIs. Click on this and just search here the YouTube API, okay. You can say YouTube data API, just select this and click on OK and just save it. Now we have copied the key, okay. So you can find that key here also again, okay, if you want it. Just wait some second, that will save. Yes. Then public data, next, show API key. Just copy that key somewhere and just click on continue. And then just click on done. That's it. That's your process on the Google console side, okay. Now go here and let's wait some second and it's almost done. Let's see, we need to put some API's key and everything. So let's see, that will do for us. Now he created the endpoint, okay, for the React API or React API key on URL. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just say that I'm gonna use here YouTube data API. So please connect it or create a file. I have a API key, okay, simple, enter. We have a env file here, this one. Now as you can see here, we have to put the your YouTube API key here. So I'm gonna put that API key here and your channel ID. So what is the channel ID? Channel ID is something like whenever you open YouTube channel, okay, in the YouTube channel, once you open the studio.youtube.com, you will see here the top, this is your YouTube channel ID, okay. Copy this and just paste it, okay. Now let's wait some second and I'm gonna do one more thing here. He's asking for that API key, okay. So let's tell him like why I require these API key. I don't any bad services. My agent chatbot will give me answer from my website or YouTube only, okay. And just paste that and enter and let's wait. So let's start the development. Let's see how this will perform, okay. So I added my website also here and I removed that React API key. So because we don't require it, we just need a YouTube channel API key and YouTube channel ID and the website link. That's it. So let's see how the, okay, fantastic. As you can see, TCP agent here, you can change it. You can change that. This one also, let's try this one working or not. MIT App Inventor. Oh, it's working perfectly fine. After the final, we have that output. Okay. So sometimes you got some errors. I also have, also got some errors. So after the, after I got error, I just say to Cursor AI that fix that error, or he automatically fix all the errors for you. But you just required like what idea you have, and he will create a chatbot, AI agent, everything for you. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.